saying? Ethan, come here, buddy.
Ethan was following the dog.
He was bothering the dog?
Yeah.
What are you trying to do? Get away from the camera?
Mom?
She's pulling your hair, baby girl. It's gonna be ouchies. What, Tristan?
I would like some,
You would? Oh, did you get the ball? Come here, Ethan. Mommy's sitting on the floor in the living room.
Big red dog.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
I want to see the picture. Banana pants. Ow. You're not
We're doing video, Tristan. Get back.
Did they see me spinning? Hello.
Don't do that, please.
Hello.
If you're gonna do that, I'm gonna have to turn it off.
Ethan. Want to see me? That was good. Chicken. The chicken.
Don't hit her.
The chicken.
Yeah, Tristan and Caitlin.
What about me? Me.
Don't crowd her too much and knock her over.
For me? Go by me?
I can't find you until I turn the camera towards you. You want to sit over there with your sister and get in it?
No.
No. You're filthy, buddy.
Yeah.
Look at all the sand you put on my leg.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Yep, she fell backwards. Hey, turn around. I want to see your bum. Look at you. Are filthy.
Yeah. I see the sand. I see the sand.
Filthy.
Yeah.
See the sand on his bum. Look out.
Can I see the sand on the bum?
Turn around. You got sand on your nose.
Hello.
Turn around. Turn around. Let me see the sand on your bum. Look at your sock.
Yeah.
Hey, filthy. Alright. Say, Tristan, that's not nice. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi, Daddy.
Crackers!
Say hi, Daddy.
I don't want to.
Say hi, Mommy.
Wait. Hello, hockey pants.
What are you going to say?
I'm fat.
Hockey pants.
Daddy, hockey daddy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Hockey daddy.
Yeah.
Boy.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo.
Okay, Mommy's turning it off now.